What you got? Yeah, is that money? What are you gonna do with it? Don't put it in your mouth. How much monies you got? Look. Look how much monies you got. Is that your monies? Is that your money?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can mommy have the money? No, I can't have it? Come here. How much money you got?
Yeah.
How much money you got, Hunter? Yeah? You want this money too? You want that money? How much money you got? Oh yeah? What you gonna buy with that money? What you gonna buy with it? You're silly. What are you gonna buy with that money? I'll give the money to mommy. Okay. Mommy will take it. You want the money back? Yeah? What are you gonna do with it? You wanna give money back to mommy? Okay. Can I have the 5 too?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You dropped it? Okay. Thanks. Thank you. Oh, you want it back? Okay. Oh, you gonna give it back? Well, decide. You want it or don't you want it? You want to sit in my lap? Okay. Oh, the camera doesn't need money. The camera doesn't need money. Oh, the camera... Uh-oh. Oh. Say bye to the camera. It's right there. Right here. It's right here. There you go. Alright, say bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Say pound it.